For decades, silicon has been the predominant material in microelectronics, but conventional silicon technology is facing scaling challenges and will soon reach limits that will require alternative solutions. Carbon could be a key element for such future technologies, not only because it is one of the most abundant elements in the Earth's crust, but also because it possesses unique chemical, physical, and electronic properties that make it very attractive for technological applications. Most recently, carbon nanotubes and graphene have been proposed for non-volatile memory applications. IBM scientists are researching this further and have published results in the January 2011 issue of the New Journal of Physics. The results demonstrate that amorphous carbon also shows promise as another potential candidate for future non-volatile memory. Dr. Abu Sebastian, an IBM scientist on the project, explains,
"In our paper, we demonstrate resistance switching in amorphous carbon down to tens of nanometers using a conductive mode AFM probe. The sample consists of amorphous carbon layer deposited on top of a trinitride layer. So the thickness of the amorphous carbon layer is something like 20 nanometers. Then a conductive mode AFM probe is brought into contact with the sample and a voltage pulse is applied. So even though there is no appreciable change in the sample topography, there is a 2 orders of magnitude change in the electrical resistance. In our paper, we did a thorough investigation of the electrical transport mechanism and the resistance switch mechanism. What we found is that at the low electric field, the electrical transport mechanism is primarily governed by a pull frontal type of transport, which also accounts for non-isolated traps. Moreover, at a critical electrical field, we see a threshold switching behavior. We also studied the permanent resistance change mechanism through a variety of means, and the conclusion was that it is primarily due to Joule heating induced rearrangement of sp2 hybridized carbon atoms within the sp3 matrix.
The work started off at IBM Research Zurich as a spin-off from a previous European project in which the IBM lab participated in, along with Plarion, a company based in the UK. It also drew on the characterization skills of colleagues from IBM Research in Almaden and from the Swiss light source at the Paul Scherrer Institute. Dr. Sebastian comments on one of the surprise findings reported.
The surprising result is that there is remarkable similarity between amorphous carbon and traditional phase change materials like germanium antimony telluride, both in terms of the electrical transport mechanism and the manner in which the resistance change occurs.
Scientists at IBM believe that non-volatile memory candidates, such as phase change memory and resistive memory, will significantly speed up computers, support the planet's increasing storage needs due to the explosive growth of data, and enable novel applications that currently are not feasible. This is Anne-Marie Cromack reporting.